Welcome to today's video, where we will discuss a common problem encountered by Cypress users. In this scenario, the issue arises when attempting to update a CSV file using cy.writeFile in GitHub Actions. The test runs successfully, but the CSV file does not get updated as expected. This inconsistency can be frustrating when transitioning from local testing to a CI/CD environment. Now, let's delve into the solution that can effectively address this issue. By integrating the cy.writeFile Git auto-commit action, you can automate the process of committing and pushing artifacts back to the repository after running your Cypress tests. This straightforward solution ensures that any changes made during test execution are captured and stored in the specified file, such as the xyz.csv in this case. To implement this solution seamlessly, you can leverage the provided configuration options to tailor the behavior according to your specific requirements. By customizing parameters like commit_message, branch, file_pattern, and other settings, you can fine-tune the commit process to align with your project's version control workflow. This level of flexibility empowers you to automate artifact updates with precision and consistency. In summary, by integrating the cy.writeFile Git auto-commit action into your GitHub Actions workflow, you can effortlessly address the challenge of updating files post-Cypress test execution. This solution streamlines the process of committing and pushing artifacts back to the repository, ensuring that your test results are accurately reflected in the version control system. So, don't let file update issues impede your testing progress. Automate the commit process and stay in control of your artifact management. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, happy coding.